Hello dear students, welcome back to the science class. Dear students, in the previous video class we have completed the fourth lesson. Today in this video class let us start the fifth lesson, that is food, our basic need. Yes dear students, food. Yes, without food can we survive? No, it is not impossible. If there is no food, we can't survive. Food is one of the very essential component. Remember, food is one of the very essential thing. Without food, we cannot survive. It is our one of the basic need. Yes, we have some of the basic needs. Yes, for example, water, food, shelter, air. These are some of the basic needs which we need to survive on earth. If there is no food, no water, no air, and if there is no shelter, we cannot survive on earth. So, in our basic needs, food is one of the basic need. So, food, our basic need. List the food items that you like to carry for lunch at a school. See dear students, what they have given in your warm-up activity. You have to list the food items which you like to carry to the school. Yes, everyone will take the lunch box for the school. Yes, to have in the lunch break. So which food you all will like to take for the school? That list you have to make. Okay. Let us see here. In this lesson, we will understand about the food and the nutrition. Yes, how much the food is important. And about the nutrition also, we are going to study in this lesson. Next, food preservation methods. Then how we have to preserve the food. That also we are going to study in this lesson. Yes, dear students, let us start the lesson here. Food gives us energy to do our everyday tasks like studying, playing and exercising. Yes dear students, why we need a food? We need a food to get energy, to get strength. If you want to do any work, it may be reading, it may be writing. Yes, we need a energy. Without energy, we can't do anything. If you want energy to your body, then you have to eat all the kinds of food. ಎಲ್ಲ ತರಹದ ಫುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ನೀವು ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು, ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ಎನಿ ವರ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫುಡ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಅಸ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ. ಎಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಡು ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಫುಡ್? ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಫುಡ್. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ವಾಟ್ ಡು ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ from the food? We get energy from the food. Yes, why do we need energy? We need energy to do our everyday task. Yes, in our everyday life we are having some of the tasks, some of the works we are having. For example, studying, it may be playing and exercising. If you want to play, yes, you need energy. If there is no energy in your body, then you can't do any work. Yes, if you want to do exercise, ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? ನಿಮಗೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬೇಕು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫುಡ್ ತಿನ್ನೋದ್ರಿಂದ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಫುಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಲಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಊಟನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಟ್ ಡು ಯು ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಅ ಫುಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅನ್ಹೆಲ್ದಿ? ಯಸ್, ವಿಚ್ ಫುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಫುಡ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಯು ಅನ್ಹೆಲ್ದಿ? That also you know very well. Yes, we have to eat always healthy food. ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಫುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ಫುಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥ ಫುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಈಟ್ ವಾಟ್? ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಫುಡ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ನೋ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಫುಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಫುಡ್. The components present in a food make it healthy or unhealthy. Yes, you all know, in our food what is present? In our food some of the components are present. Yes, what we find in the food? We find some of the components. Those components are necessary for our body. ಆ components ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಆ components ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? From the food we are getting those components. The components ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಫುಡ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಆರ್ ಅನ್ಹೆಲ್ದಿ. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಫುಡ್ ತಗೋತಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಎಸ್ ಯಾವ ಫುಡ್ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ ನೀವು, ಎಸ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಯು ನೋ. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ಫುಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ help us to grow and prevent from falling ill are known as nutrients. Yes dear students, what are nutrients? Nutrients are the components that make a food healthy. Nutrients are the components and that make a food healthy and help us to grow and prevent us from falling ill. ನಮಗೆ ಆರಾಮ್ ತಪ್ಪಲಾರ್ದಂಗೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೋತದ. ಎಸ್, ಬೈ ಈಟಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಫುಡ್. ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಫುಡ್ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಫಾಲ್ ಅ ಸಿಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ನಿಮಗೆ ಆರಾಮ್ ತಪ್ಪೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಕಾಂಪೋನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ಫುಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಗ್ರೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಫಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಆರಾಮ್ ತಪ್ಪೋದು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್. Nutrients are the components that make food healthy. What are the nutrients, dear students? Nutrients are the components that make food healthy and it helps us to grow and prevent us falling ill. Those are known as the nutrients. Nutrients, nutrients. The process of taking in and utilizing food for a growth and development of our body is known as a nutrition. Here you have to remember the definition of nutrients and nutrition. ಇಲ್ಲಿ nutrients ಮತ್ತು nutrition definition important. The process of taking in and utilizing food for growth and development. Yes, we are having a food daily. Why we are having a food daily? For growth purpose. ನೀವು ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಳಿತೀರಿ. How you are growing? Because we are eating a food daily, so we are growing. So the process of taking in and utilizing is nothing but utilizing food for growth and development. That food, why it is used? Whatever the food we eat, that food is used for growth and development. Remember, whatever the food we are eating, that food is used for what purpose? That food is used for growth. ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಫುಡ್ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ದ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನ್. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಡಿಫೈನ್ ನೌ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನ್? ದ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯುಟಿಲೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಫುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಗ್ರೋತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಈಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನ್. NUTRITION, nutrition. Different food items have a different nutrients. See dear students, different food, ಬೇರೆ ಥರದ ಫುಡ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ತರಹದ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. We will not get all the nutrients from one food. Remember, we will not get all the nutrients from one food. The main nutrients that are present in a different food items are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Dear students, the main nutrients that are present in a different food items. Which are the nutrients? Yes, these are the very essential nutrients. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Besides these, food also contain roughage and water. Our food also contains what? Roughage and water. The different groups of similar food items which are source of similar nutrients are called food groups. What is food groups? The different groups of a similar food items which are source of similar nutrients. Those are the source of a similar nutrients. Then for that we are calling a food groups. Remember the definition of food groups also. So how many nutrients are there here? The main nutrients. Which are the main nutrients? Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. These are the main nutrients. Which are the main nutrients, dear students? Carbohydrate, protein, fats, minerals and vitamins. These are the main nutrients which are found in a food. These nutrients, where we can find it out? These nutrients are present in our food only. So we have to eat all the kinds of food. ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ತರಹದ ಫುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ ಒನ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಫುಡ್. ನೀವು ಒಂದೇ ತರಹದ ಫುಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಒನ್ ಫುಡ್ ತಿನ್ನೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತರಹದ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ತರಹದ ಫುಡ್ಡನ್ನು ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. ಆಲ್ ದ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಈಟ್. ಯಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ತರಹದ ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ತಿನ್ನಬೇಕು. ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಹೈಡ್ರೇಟ್ಸ್, ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ಸ್, ಫ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್, ವಿಟಮಿನ್ಸ್, ಮಿನರಲ್ಸ್, these all the nutrients will come to your body here. If you eat only one kind of food, then you will fall sick here. So follow all the kinds of food in your regular diet. This is about the food and nutrition. I hope you understood what are nutrition. Yes, what are nutrients, what is nutrition, what are food groups. Yes, these are the definitions we have studied today in this class. Again, in the next video class, we'll continue with these children. Till that, take care, study well, have a nice day.